Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the left speaker on a Beats X wireless. So let's begin. Left speaker would be located on the side where the control talk buttons are at, not the side where the battery's at. So first of all, go ahead and take off the ear tip. Set that aside. Go ahead, grab the heat gun. This is a fairly simple process. Heat up the speaker until it's nice and warm. Next, go ahead, pinch the wire right there and pull up on the speaker, and it should just come off nicely like that. Get some alligator clips to help you hold and adjust it the way you want it. Go ahead and get your solder gun, set it to about 650 degrees for it to be nice and warm. Go ahead and unsolder the 2 points. Set that aside. Get your replacement speaker. Solder the 2 wires back together. The red would be on the positive. The green would be on the negative side. After you're done soldering it back on, go ahead and clean the extra residue, if left in speaker. It just helps it go back into its grooves nice. So then there's no gap, so it's nice and flush. Okay, that's good with the cleaning. Make sure before putting it back together, gluing it, make sure it fits nice. Usually the hole will line up to the bottom of the wire. That's when you know you're in the right spot. So there's no gap, as you guys could tell. So now we're ready to go ahead and use our B7000. Go ahead and take the cap off. Just go around with it. Not too much, just enough to get it filled in the 2 cracks. Find where the hole's at, line it up on the bottom, push it in. Go ahead and take the earpiece, put it back on there. Take a small rubber band, go ahead and wrap it a few times. Just like that. Let it sit there for a little bit, for about an hour or 2. And that's how you replace the left speaker on a Beats X wireless. Thanks for watching.